Hello everyone! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet this fun rippling V-stitch that you can use to make blankets, shawls, or other great projects. For more information, please check out the drop-down description box below, or you can visit my website, jonnamartinez.com. Thanks for watching! Now let's get started. To begin, create a slip knot of your choice. Now chain as many as you like, or multiples of 14 plus 2. To work with this stitch, you're going to want to probably do a swatch or small piece so you can decide how long you want your work to be. Because this is a rippling pattern, it's going to eat up a lot of your base chain. So your chain's going to go like this, and it's going to be considerably shorter when you're done with row 1. Row 1. This loop on your hook never counts as a chain. Double crochet into the third chain from hook. Skip 2 chains and make a V-stitch into the next chain. Next, skip 2 chains, and into the next chain we're going to create a double V-stitch. This is going to be one of the points of the ripple. Next, skip 2 chains and V-stitch into the next chain. From here, we're going to begin a row repeat. Skip 2 chains, and then over these next 3 chains, we're going to double crochet 2 together. And there we have an upside down V, which is double crochet 2 together, and we're skipping a chain in the middle. Moving on with our repeat, we're going to skip 2 chains and V-stitch into the next chain. Then skip 2 chains, and into the next chain we're going to create a double V, which is our point. So V-stitch, chain 2, V-stitch. Then skip 2 chains and V-stitch. Skip 2 chains, and then we're going to start our repeat again. Looking at our work from here, our repeat is going to be skip 2 chains, double crochet 2 together over 3 chains, then skip 2 chains, V-stitch, skip 2 chains, make a double V-stitch, skip 2 chains, and V-stitch. We're going to repeat this all the way down our work, and once we get to the very end, I will meet back up. If you just made a chain and didn't go with the multiples, you're going to want 4 chains remaining, and then all the extra chains we can cut off. So you're going to skip 2 chains and then double crochet 2 together. Turn to begin row 2. Row 2 is going to be your repeat row until your work is of desired length. To begin, chain 2. Then double crochet into the center of this previous V-stitch. From here, V-stitch into your previous V-stitch. Then into the chain 2, make a double V-stitch. V-stitch again into your previous V-stitch. Now here we are in what I like to call the valley section, where we did the double crochet 2 together. What we're going to do is these 2 V-stitches on each side, we're going to double crochet those 2 stitches together. Then we're just going to continue in this fashion all the way down our work. Once you get to the end of row 2, make another double crochet 2 together. You're going to start in this last V-stitch here and end into that very first double crochet that we made. Turn and chain 2 to begin row 2 again. When I got to the end of row 3, I wanted to show you how funny the end of our previous rows look. So of course you're going to make your double crochet 2 together. You want to start in this very last V-stitch here, and then you're going to finish in this double crochet right here, because that is our chain 2 from our turning chain. Well, that is all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoy working on this fun rippling stitch. Be sure to check out the drop-down description box below for more information, or you can visit my website, jonnamartinez.com. Thank you so much for watching, commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Have a lovely crochet day, and I hope to see you again in my next tutorial.